Hi there, this is Maliha and today I'm going to explain the Bsnl DLT registration process to you. So stay with me. TRAI or Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has made it mandatory for businesses who wants to send bulk SMS to their customers to be registered on DLT or distributed ledger technology. The major objective of DLT is to ensure security, transparency, and reduce fraudulent acts. Different telecom operators such as Airtel, Tata, Jio, or BSNL are providing a DLT platform for registration. But here, we are going to explain you a step-by-step process of DLT registration on BSNL. Before we dive into the process itself, make sure you have important documents with you, such as letter of authorization, proof of identity, and proof of address.
Step 1. Visit the BSNL website, select Enterprise, click Next. Step 2. Enter your business PAN details. Step 3. Enter your desired email and password. Step 4. Verify your email or mobile number with the OTP you will receive. Step 5. Log into the portal. Step 6. Fill in the appropriate details and submit your required documents. Step 7. Pay the registration fee. Now, upon the confirmation and verification, you will receive your entity ID.
Once you receive your entity ID, you can now log in to the DLT service with no hassle. So if you found this video useful, do like it and leave a comment so more people like you can watch it. You can also share it with your friends who you believe needs it.